In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the cursor loading blinking circle issue in Windows 11 and 10. If you've encountered this frustrating problem where your cursor keeps displaying that loading circle even when nothing seems to be happening, you're not alone. But don't worry, we're going to go through some easy steps to get this sorted out. First, we need to open the Run dialog box, a handy feature in Windows that allows us to quickly execute commands and open system folders. To do this, press the Windows key and the letter R on your keyboard simultaneously. This will bring up a small window labeled Run at the bottom left of your screen. Once you have the Run dialog box open, type msconfig, that's MSCONFIG, into the text box. Now, hit Enter or click the OK button to open the system configuration window. This is a tool that lets us adjust various startup options and system settings. In the System Configuration window, make your way to the General tab. This tab is usually the first one you'll see, and it contains essential startup settings that affect how your computer loads its software. You'll want to select the Normal Startup option here. This setting ensures that all your device drivers and services are loaded the next time your computer starts up. It's an important step because sometimes unnecessary background processes can cause the loading circle issue. With the Normal Startup option selected, we're almost done. Go straight to the bottom of this window where you'll see the Apply button. Click Apply to confirm the changes you've made, then click OK to exit out of the System Configuration window. At this point, a prompt might appear asking if you'd like to restart your computer now or later. For the changes to take effect, you need to restart your computer. So go ahead and choose Restart. After your system reboots, the pesky loading circle beside your cursor should be gone. If it persists, you might want to check other performance settings or ensure that your system is up to date with the latest Windows updates. And that's it. You've now resolved the blinking loading circle issue on your Windows 11 or 10 machine, hopefully restoring your cursor to its normal, interruption-free state. Thanks for watching, and I hope this simple guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tech tutorials. See you next time.